Hula! Hey everybody, Baron and Bren Bruno from Malolo, about 20-minute boat ride right over there to Viti Levu. That's the main island of Fiji where the international airport is located. So we're less than a half hour away, and we have a spectacular rental, fully furnished, with 3 bedrooms. One over there, the main bedroom here, and then a third bure on the other side over there. And look at these views. Hello. We have this incredible rental on Malolo Island. This is very close to world famous cloud break and restaurant surfing, which is just out there over the reefs, inner reefs right here, which is amazing fishing and snorkeling and scuba diving. You could have a home office right there if you want. You can do all your cooking and entertaining, and yeah, you can even watch your Netflix right here. Laundry rooms over here. Look at that great island for entertaining. Yep, speaking of entertaining, wouldn't you be sitting right there? Yeah, can you picture yourself? I thought so. Here's a huge side deck. You even have the rack over here. You can see one of the former tenants has their snorkeling and scuba diving gear over there. So this is a separate rental unit, so a whole 1-bedroom, 1-bath, self-contained unit there. You have the other one on the other side, and this main unit right here in the middle. Very common, what they call sort of pod style Fijian house buildings here. And there is that beautiful panoramic vista with Viti Levu in the background. You have some world famous resorts here as well, not just the world famous snorkeling and scuba diving, soft coral diving and surfing, but just around the corner over here is Six Senses Resort, also Vunabaka, extremely luxury high-end development. And then you have your private garden. Look at that right here, some nice tropical flowers growing. And you have Tropica Island Resort, Wandingi Island, Liku Liku, Castaway, Mana Island, which is where the Castaway movie was filmed, and for you Survivor fans, that's where Survivor America is filmed. It's just right around the corner over here. But look at this. You know what those are, don't you? That's right. If you come here and rent, you can have those banana smoothies, probably pick yourself some great coconuts and have yourself some amazing tropical drinks, and make sure you get some local Fijian Bati rum. There's more of those bananas waiting for you. Let's come in and take one more look at one of the bedrooms here. Here is the bedroom. Nice shower stall. And notice this nice colored paint. This is what they did out in Castaway Island Resort 2. And then they have the, you see up here, this is the coconut fiber, and this is called Mangi Mangi, M-A-G-I, M-A-G-I. And this is very traditional Fijian design here. So very, very rare to see this anymore, quite honestly. But you can tell that's really, really nice, traditional Fijian. And this is based on the Masi design, which is bark cloth that they design here, and it all looks like that. So this is your private wardrobe, your cyclone shutters here with the privacy screens, so you can get those beautiful cool breezes. You can probably hear those right now. And then there's a private deck right here, and to the right is that main building, but you get the same views on both sides. So a total of 3 rooms here. So if you're coming out here and you're a boatie or a yachty, and you love fishing, snorkeling, kayaking, windsurfing, or regular world-class surfing at Cloudbreaker restaurants just out there, you might want to call us at +679-999-2051, or go to professionalsfiji.com. Find out more about this listing and all of our listings, because we're the only global real estate agency in Fiji and the #1 agency for a reason. And for you guys who want to get out on your catamarans and boats, you can see these guys are probably heading back to the mainland, or maybe even coming this way. So there's still room for you here. We look forward to seeing you soon. We hope you're well. We hope you're safe. And look at all that just waiting for you. See you here soon. You're not gonna...